What's up, guys? So yeah, as you guys know, this is a new camera for me and I am trying to get pretty accustomed to it. And basically what happened is I was actually filming a lot of stuff on this Ford Fusion, and I filmed everything in 4K 60, which is very stupid because the upload size of 4K 60 doesn't really work out in terms of uploading it on YouTube and stuff like that. So basically what ended up happening is I made all these videos in 4K 60 and the upload size ended up being huge, like way too big. So what I actually have to do is I'm just going to tell you guys what I did to it, because maybe I can pull some of that film, and if I do, I will splice it in as I kind of put more as I kind of go down the line here. But so as you guys can see, the wheel is centered now. The reason it is centered now is because I actually put the subframe under it, and I replaced the lower control arm. I don't know, you probably can't see much here, but it's definitely replaced. As you can see here, the wheel is centered. I still need to replace this fender here because this is crap. But what I'm trying to do is just sell it like it is, so I can go ahead and flip it and get it going. If not, then I'll continue to fix it. But I got it drivable. I've actually taken it down the street. It runs really good. It does need alignment now, of course, and the interior does need to be cleaned up because it looks like crap. But it is alive and well. Hopefully I can get it going before I have to put any more money into it. As of right now, I have about 400 in the car itself, and then I have 150 in the subframe, another 40 in the lower control arm, and that's it so far. And a lot of time. It probably took me, I would say, roughly 2 hours to do the subframe, to drop it and put the new one in. Here is one of the lowers that I had to replace. As you can see, that looks pretty bad. But yeah, this car isn't too terrible. I actually thought about giving it away, but I think I'll do that with one of the next ones. Maybe after we get monetized in a few months, I'll do it with one of the next ones, and we can go about it that way. And I think that would be the best way to do it. Maybe just get you guys to share these videos up and subscribe, and get your friends to subscribe and all that good stuff. And I think we should be able to get this baby going. And of course do some giveaways and cool stuff like that. So with that being said, I also I'm gonna be doing some merch drops pretty soon, maybe after I get more of you guys in here, so that you guys can rock some cool merch. I am a moto guy, I'm a race car guy, I'm a racer, all around guy who just loves motorsports. So most of my stuff will be motorsports themed. It'll have a cool, catchy look. You'll want to wear it out. It'll be sick. So that's my plan. Maybe we will fix the rest of this Ford Fusion. I'm not really sure. Maybe we will fix this fender, who knows, but you will find out on the next episode. Alright, let's take this thing for a little drive around the neighborhood. After it's fixed, let's see what she does. No noises, which is great. Second gear, third gear. Now keep in mind, it does need an alignment pretty bad, which is why The steering wheel is like this. I got as close as I could with the rack, but it will definitely be better once it does get in alignment. Got it up to 30. Running pretty fine. Let's go this way. Holy grass. Let's just go this way and see what it does. Yeah, man, this thing runs a ton better. No lights are on the dash at all. Got it up to 40. She's running really good. Ride's good. Definitely needs some tires, but she is definitely a lot better. If no one buys this thing, I might detail it and keep it. Yeah, right. Yeah, but this thing runs a lot better. I got my hands off the wheel and it is going straight, which is awesome. Well, I'm steering it now, but yeah, this thing is great. Need to get it cleaned up. But besides that, man, she's running pretty good. So let's go ahead and wheel her back to the house so I don't die.